Do you want to draw numbers like a pro? Welcome to our tutorial where we'll unravel the art of drawing numbers in a super easy and entertaining way. This isn't just fun, it's also a crucial step in early learning and development. Drawing numbers can spark a love for mathematics and boost creativity. So whether you're a budding artist or a math enthusiast, this is for you. Now, without further ado, get your pencils ready and prepare to amaze yourself with your own drawing skills. First off, we'll start with the easiest number. 1. Imagine holding a magic pencil in your hand. You're at the top of an invisible line. Now gently pull that pencil down straight as an arrow. You're doing great. Now let's add a dash of style. How about a tiny line at the top? Perfect. And one more at the bottom. And voila, you've created a splendid number 1. Look at that, you've just drawn the number 1. Easy, isn't it? Now let's tackle number 2. Are you ready? Picture a sleeping swan, its neck curved and elegant. That's our start. A gentle curve on the top. Now imagine it's waking up and stretching, moving down and to the left, just like that. Lastly, let's give our swan a path to glide on, a straight line moving to the right. There you have it, a splendid number 2. Try it a few times and soon it'll be as easy as 1, 2, 3. And just like that, you've drawn the number 2. You're doing great. Ready for number 3? Here we go. Start by drawing a curved line at the top, like a half of a circle. Now just below it, mirror that same motion to create another curve. You've made 2 little hills, haven't you? Now let's connect these 2 with a vertical line in the middle. Just a straight line down and voila! Your number 3 has come alive. You've done a brilliant job, and it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Fantastic! You've drawn the number 3. You've done an incredible job learning to draw numbers 1, 2, and 3. Let's quickly recap. For the number 1, we started with a straight line down the middle. Easy as pie. Number 2 was a bit more challenging, wasn't it? We curved at the top, then straight down, and a little curve at the bottom. And finally, for number 3, we made 2 semicircles, one on top of the other, like a pair of glasses. Drawing numbers isn't just fun, it also helps improve your hand-eye coordination and develops your creativity. Isn't it amazing how simple lines and curves come together to form something we recognize? And the best part is, the more you practice, the better you get. So keep your pencils and colors ready, and let's make drawing a regular part of your day. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep drawing and soon you'll be able to draw all the numbers like a pro. Thanks for watching, and see you next time for more fun drawing lessons.